Hello everyone, today let's we meet 20 amazing snakes. First, King Cobra, the world's longest venomous snake, known for its iconic hood, found mainly in forests of India and Southeast Asia, feeds mostly on other snakes, highly intelligent and alert. Next, python, a large non-venomous constrictor, kills prey by wrapping around it. Found in Asia, Africa, and Australia, can grow extremely long, very strong, and muscular. Next, anaconda. One of the heaviest snake on earth, lives in swamps and rivers of South America, excellent swimmer, eats large animals like deer and camels, uses powerful coils to crush prey. Next, Russell's viper. A highly venomous snake of Asia, has distinct brown circular patterns. Very fast striker, causes many snake bite cases, prefers dry and open habitats. Next, rattlesnake. Known for its rattling tail sound, found mainly in North and South America, venom is hemotoxic, uses vibration as a warning, can sense that with pit organs. Next, black mamba. One of the fastest snake in the world, highly venomous and feared. Grey colored despite its name, lives in Africa's savannas, very aggressive when threatened. Next, boa constrictor. A powerful non-venomous snake, wraps around prey to suffocate it. Found in Central and South America, prefers warm climates, can climb trees easily. Next, coral snake. A brightly colored venomous snake, has red, yellow, and black bands. Small but highly toxic, lives in forest and sandy areas, mimicked by many harmless species. Next, saw-scaled viper, one of the deadliest snakes in India, makes a sizzling sound by rubbing scales, very small but extremely dangerous, active mostly at night, responsible for many bites. Next, green tree python, a bright green arboreal snake, lives in trees of New Guinea and Australia, excellent climber, young ones are yellow or red, non-venomous and shy. Next, Indian cobra. Known for its wide hood with eye pattern, highly venomous, found across India, plays an important role in folklore, eats rodents, helping farmers. Next, ball python. Rolls into a tight ball when scared, very calm and gentle, popular as a pet, found in African grasslands, non-venomous. Next, sea snake. Lives completely in ocean waters, highly venomous, paddle like tail for swimming, breathes air but stays underwater long, found in Indian and Pacific oceans. Next, garter snake. A harmless snake of North America, eats insects and small animals, lives near water, very common in gardens, non-aggressive and small. Next, copperhead. A venomous snake of the USA, copper-colored head, camouflages in dry leaves, painful but rarely fatal bite, prefers forests. Next, milk snake. A colorful non-venomous snake, looks similar to coral snake, found in North America, eats rodents, and lizards. Very calm and docile. Next, Burmese python, one of the largest snakes in the world. Native to Southeast Asia, very strong constrictor, often seen near water, can grow over 20 feet. Next, desert horned viper has horn-like scales above eyes, found in deserts of Africa and Arabia. Venomous but shy, moves in a side-winding motion, blends perfectly with scent. Next, Bushmaster, longest venomous snake in the Americas, found in tropical forests, very secretive, has powerful hemotoxic venom, mostly nocturnal. Next, water moccasin, known for cottonmouth. A venomous semi-aquatic snake opens its white mouth when threatened. Found in the southeastern USA, aggressive when disturbed. Lives near swamps and rivers.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, share.